Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well today. My name is Nicole and my channel is Cook for the Soul. A few months ago I prepared a recipe which was a Parmesan baked mushroom. It was very popular and today I decided to make a variation of this recipe. I'm gonna use Portobello mushroom. I'm gonna add blue cheese instead of Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna add some bacon, and I think it's gonna work out great. So if you're interested in how I make this, please continue watching. Also, thank you so much in advance for liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Let's get started. So first turn on the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which corresponds to 200 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna cut a small shallot. Now take 1 clove of garlic and we're gonna cut it. Cut 2 slices of the bacon. It's a turkey bacon that I'm using, or you can use pork bacon as well, or even some ham. And just cut it to small pieces. And now cut some blue cheese. I'm using gorgonzola today because it's a little bit milder. Just like that. You can't really grate it, that's why I'm using the knife, but you see it's sticking together. So put the gorgonzola in a bowl. For the portobello mushroom, just make sure that there's no dirt. If there is, you can just scrape it off a little bit, but I think they're usually pretty clean. And get rid of the stem if there is any. Prepare a small tray and put some baking paper at the bottom. I'm gonna put 2 drops of olive oil, rub the mushroom in it, and leave it on for now. Now put a slice of butter in a pan. So first put the onion in the pot and saute on its own before we add the garlic. After 3 minutes, add the garlic, saute for another minute, and add the bacon. Saute for another 2 minutes. If you like spinach, add few leaves. Okay, we can turn it off. Add the shallot bacon mixture and just mix it. Since I still don't want the blue cheese to be too overwhelming, I will not add any more, but if you want more, go ahead. Bring the mushrooms back. I'm gonna put a small piece of butter. Add salt. It needs quite a bit of salt. Pepper. And just put the filling in. And put it in the oven for 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes the mushrooms are ready.